Dear students, welcome to Phys Education. Today we are doing the exercise of New Oxford Modern English, Class 6, Chapter 10, The Way Through the Woods. So let's start. In Part A, question number 1 is: answer the following questions. A. What is hidden in the woods? Answer is: an old road that was shut 70 years ago is hidden in the woods. B. How is it hidden? Answer is: weather, rain, and plants have hidden it. C. Why do the animals fear not men in the woods? Answer is: the animals do not fear men in the woods because they see so few of them. D. What mysterious sounds might you hear in the woods? Answer is: mysterious sounds you might hear in the woods are an otter whistling to its mate, the beat of a horse's feet, and the swish of a skirt in the dew. E. Does the poem have a rhyme scheme? Answer is: yes. The rhyming scheme is F. How is the word anemones pronounced? Answer is: look up the word in a dictionary. Its pronunciation is an M N E's. Anemones. Question number 2 is: answer the following questions with reference to context. A. Weather and rain have undone it again. First is: what does the it refer to? Answer is: the road through the woods. Second is: what happened to it years ago? Answer is: they shut it. Third is: what has happened to it since then, and how has it changed? Answer is: now you would never know that there was once a road through the woods. Trees have been planted, it is overgrown, badgers and other animals roll about over where it once passed. B. As though they perfectly knew. The old lost road through the woods. First is: who knew this? Answer is: the horse and rider. Second is: what did they do on the road? Answer is: went through the woods. Third is: are the road, the sounds, and the people real or imaginary? Why? Answer is: the sounds and the people are imaginary as the poet think about that time when there was a road. Question number 3 is: underline the stressed syllables in the following words. Say them aloud first. Solution is as under. Question number 4 is: divide the following words into syllables and mark the syllables that are stressed. Solution is as under. Question number 5 is: read the list carefully and divide the words into two groups according to their vowel sound. Solution is as under. In Part B, question number 1 is: write down the plurals of the following nouns. Can you put them into groups according to the list of rules above? Solution is as under. Question number 2 is, find out the plural forms of the following. Look in a dictionary. Solution is as under. In part C, question number 1 is, pick out the auxiliary verbs in the following. A. The boy is talking. B. They are going home on Monday. C. We will be taking a taxi to the station. D. They have not seen Javed for 2 years. E. Junaid was singing and his sisters were dancing. F. Never have I seen such a horrible sight. G. By Tuesday we will have been waiting 6 days for his reply. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with others and comments for suggestions. Please don't forget to subscribe Fizz Education and press the bell icon for early notification.